All right, you guys, it's Friday, but you know what time it is. Job review. Job number 1 is with Hyatt Hotels. Can you believe that Hyatt still needs a software tester? Yes, aka a quality assurance analyst, and it is remote. Let's go ahead, read the job description. I've already read it. It looks like it is core software testing roles and responsibilities. Let's position and apply. Job number 2 is with Sajin, Technical Quality Assurance. Now, manual API. So if you got that API experience, you're definitely going to shine in their eyes. Let's go ahead and position and apply. It is a manual QA role. All right, job number 3 is with Janet for a QA analyst, and it is a manual QA role. Let's go ahead and position and apply. If you have that SQL, that database testing experience, this is for you. Let's go. And job number 4 is with System Soft Technologies. It's a quality assurance analyst. Now it's 26 to 28 an hour, but it's a good start. It is a manual role. And it does say that it is a 6-month contract to hire position that's working 100% remote. So if you're not working, maybe you just got out of boot camp, you finished the program, this is a great role for you. But definitely, we're going to position our 4 years of experience, regardless, with transferable skills. And you definitely got to have that API and SQL to go for this role. So let's position and apply. All right. And last one is a quality assurance analyst with Spatial Front. Again, it looks like here it's a core software testing role. Looks like they're doing 50 to 70. Let's go.